Hello everyone, I'm Becky Goldsmith with Piece of Cake, and I want to show you how to use the Blackwing two-step pencil sharpener. There's two steps. So first, and they're numbered, I don't know if you can see, but there's a 1 and a 2. When you put a pencil in the number 1 side on a regular pencil or a Blackwing pencil, the only thing that gets sharpened is the wood. And there's a stop in there so that when you get it as sharp as it can be on the first side, it won't go any farther. So I've reached the stop. And if you pull it out, you can see that the lead is not sharp yet. That's what the number 2 side is for. So you put this in here and it only sharpens the graphite. Sweet, right? And there it is. It is a beautiful, long, sharp point. When you use this sharpener on something that isn't a graphite pencil, what you'll find is that in this case, the chalk is thicker inside the wood. When you put that inside the number 1 hole, it's going to sharpen the wood, but also some of the chalk. If I wanted to, I could sharpen my chalk to a really sharp point. In actual fact, this is a chalk that breaks if you get it too pointy. So you can see it's blunted off here. I can put it in the number 2 side and I can sharpen that up. So if I wanted this sharp of a point on my General's charcoal pencil, I could get one. The fact is, though, that that is going to be weak and it's going to break pretty soon. So what I typically do when I'm sharpening my General's charcoal pencil is only use the number 1 side and sharpen it until it's about to there, and then I don't sharpen any farther. To empty it out, you lift the plastic lid over a trash can. You'll notice I'm not over a trash can. And you empty it out. And I think you can see in there, right down here at this end, there are 2 replacement blades, which is pretty cool. If you look here, you can see the little tiny screws that you would use a little tiny Phillips head screwdriver to undo. And you can replace those blades if they get dull. That said, when you take this to the trash can and turn it over to dump it out, if you whack it on the side of the trash can, keep an eye on what comes out. And if you've dumped out the spare blades, make sure you put them back. So that is the Blackwing two-step pencil sharpener. I hope you've enjoyed seeing how it works. Thank you for watching, and may your pencils always be as sharp as you want them to be. Happy stitching.